Hello students, welcome back again to the online classes. I hope you all are safe and enjoying your extended holiday. So without wasting much time, let's start our second chapter in maths. So children, in your previous class, I have explained you counting from 1 to 10 with some exercises and I hope you all have completed your homework. Now we will again study the numbers from 1 to 10, but in second chapter I will elaborate some more topics and I know you all are excited. So you all know the name of your math book, that is Composite Mathematics. So open your books and let's start the chapter. Before starting the chapter, let's revise the number names. And yes, repeat after me. ONE1, TWO2, THREE3, FOUR4, FIVE5, SIX6, SEVEN7, EIGHT8, NINE9 and TEN10. Now children, come to page number 22, chapter 2, numbers from 1 to 10. First question, write the numerals. Children, in your previous class, I have explained you how to write numbers from 1 to 10 and right now also I have showed you the numbers. Same thing you have to do in this page. As you can see, some object is given and you have to count that object and write the numbers accordingly. So you have to count the balls and write the numbers in the blocks. As you can see, there are 7 columns and in these columns you have to count the balls and write the same number repeatedly. Like here is only one ball and it is written 1 also. So you will write 1 in all the blocks. Similarly, you have to count the balls and write the numbers up to 10. On page number 23, we will cover 3 main topics, that is before, between and after. One question from you all children, that what is before, between and after? Let's discuss about these topics. Before numbers. The number that comes which is one less or one smaller than the given numbers. Children, you can see all the numbers and arrows are moving backward side, that is from 8 to 0. It means that these numbers are smaller than number 9. We can say that all these numbers comes before number 9. Example, what comes before number 9? Yes, before number 9 is number 8. After numbers means the number which is one more or one greater than the given number. Children, you can see the arrows are moving forward, that is from 2 to 10. It means that all the numbers from 2 to 10 are greater than 1, or we can say that these numbers comes after 1. Example, what comes after 2? Yes, after 2 is number 3. Last point, between numbers means number lies in the middle of two numbers. Children, you can see the arrow is pointing number 3, which is in the middle of number 2 and 4. So, we can say that the number between 2 and 4 is number 3. Children, if you have any confusion, I have given you another way by which you can understand the concept of 3 points, that is, after, before, and between. Number after. Let us learn what comes after a number. This is number 1. So, what comes after 1? Yes, after 1 is 2. Another example. You can see upside all the numbers are written. This is 4. What comes after 4? After 4 is 5. Number before. Let us see what comes before a number. This is number 4. And what comes before 4? Yes, number 3. Number between. I have given you an example of what comes after and before number. Now I am giving you one example of what comes between two numbers. The number between 1 and 3 is number 2. I hope you all have understood the concept. Now come to page number 23. Just after, just before, between. Fill in the placeholder. 2 has been done for you. I will do the next one. Dash is just after 6. So what comes just after 6? Number 7. Dash is just before 5. So what comes just before 5? Number 4. Come here. Dash is between 2 and 4. So what comes between 2 and 4? Number 3. Dash is between 1 and 3. So what comes between 1 and 3? Number 2. Last one. 5 is between 4 and dash. So 5's come between two numbers 4 and 6. 7 is between dash and 8. So 7 also comes between two numbers, that is 6 and 8. The rest you will do. The next exercise is on comparing numbers. So here we will cover 3 points, that is greater than, less than and equal to. So what do you mean by comparing numbers? Comparing number means to find out the differences between numbers and to decide if it is greater than, less than or equal to another number. Now children, meet the 3 members of comparing numbers with their symbol. The members are the alligator and the first member is Mr. Great. Mr. Great loves to eat bigger number. There are two numbers 8 and 3 where Mr. Great loves to eat greater number and he has opened his mouth to the greater side, that is number 8. So we can say that 8 is greater than 3. Now meet the second member, Mr. Equal, who never do any partiality and equal to both the sides. There are same number on both the side, that is number 5. So we can say that 5 is equal to 5. And the last member, Mr. Less, who loves to eat smaller number. There are also two numbers, number 2 and 7. And he has opened his mouth to the opposite side. So we can say that 2 is less than number 7. It will get more clear, children, when we will do the exercise. Now come to page number 25. Count, write and put the correct symbol greater than, less than or equal in the boxes. First one has been done for you. Let's see the first one. At the left side you can see there are 4 roses and at the right side there are 6 roses. So alligator will open his mouth to the greater side. So we can say that 4 is less than 6. Now we will do the next question. You can see at the left side there are 5 chairs and on the right side there are 7 chairs. So in the boxes you will write here 5 and here you will write 7. So children, which number is greater? Yes, number 7. So you will open the mouth on the right side. So here also we can say that 5 is less than number 7. The rest you will do. Now come to page number 26. Comparison of numbers using the number line. Here the comparison of numbers explained through the number line. You can see the number line where the numbers are written from 0 to 10 and it has been explained the number to the left of given number is less than that number and the number to the right of a given number is greater than that number. Let me explain you through this number line. You can see all the numbers 0 to 10 on number line and from the left to the right the circle is getting bigger. It means the number which is to the right side is greater than the number to the left side and the number to the left side is less than the number to the right side. Let's do the last exercise so you will understand better. Page number 27. Look at the number line given below. Put the correct symbol greater than or less than in the placeholder. One has been done for you. Just now I have explained you through the number line. Same here, you will also use this number line to complete the exercise. Come to the first one which is already done. 8 and 5. On the number line, 8 is on the right side and 5 is on the left side. So, 8 is greater than 5. So, you will put the symbol of greater than to the left side. Now, come to second question. 7 and 9. On the number line, 7 is on the left side and number 9 is on the right side. So, here 7 is less than number 9. So, you will put the symbol of less than. Now third one, 2 and 6. On the number line, 2 is on the left side and 6 is on the right side. So 2 is less than 6. So again you will put the symbol to the right side. The rest you will do by yourself. Children, as you can see on the screen that I have given you some points to remember. So, before doing any exercise, please children go through these points because it will help you to understand the exercise and complete them. As I have explained you all the exercises, now the homework for you all is that as you can see, I have given you page number, so you have to complete these pages by yourself and try to learn all the number names from 1 to 10. We will again meet in the next class. Till then, do your homework very neatly. Take care and thank you.